Welcome to our YouTube channel. So today we'll discuss another interesting topic in Meta ads, and that is how to connect Zapier with the instant lead form and how to get that leads directly to your Gmail. So by saying Zapier, I just want to let you know that it is a tool. It is an integration tool which will help us to integrate our Meta lead form directly with the Google Gmail, because some of our clients want the leads directly to their Gmail, so that when somebody fill up the instant lead form from the instant lead form campaign, so my client want that that lead will directly came to their Gmail. So it will be only possible if we'll use basically integration tool like Zapier, so that we can integrate that with the instant lead form, and then we can easily track that lead in our Gmail account. So what will happen is when somebody see our ad, they will fill up the form, that lead will be automatically sent to the Gmail of that particular person, and then he will track that lead and easily convert them, discuss with them their queries and convert them easily. So it is a better way to give more convenience to the businessman who will get the lead instantly on their Gmail account, so that they will take action accordingly and convert the leads early. So without wasting any time, let's dive into the video. So first of all, you just need to open the Zapier account. If you have already an account created on the Zapier, then you can just log in into it, and you will see that dashboard here. If you don't have, so you need to sign up in the Zapier. You just need to type Zapier, and after that it will redirect to the Zapier page where you can sign up and create an account for your Zapier account. And now as you can see, the dashboard is available here. So we need to create a Zap first, as we have already running instant lead form campaign which also got 6 lead, as you can see. So we need to integrate that lead form with the Gmail, so that our customer will directly get the leads directly to their Gmail, so that they can easily contact them and convert them easily. So first of all, I just went to the Zapier dashboard. I'll just click on the create button, and once I click on it, it will give me different options: Zapes, tables, forms, canvas, chatbot. You need to click on the Zap button. We need to create a Zap for each action. And after that, as you can see, now we have a trigger and 2 options. This is the option where we need to connect our Facebook account, and second option is where we need to create we need to link our Gmail account, so that lead will directly go to that particular Gmail. Let me show you how to do it. First of all, I just will click on that particular trigger, and here I will choose the Facebook lead ads, because I want that leads, Facebook leads, directly sent to the Gmail. So for that, I need to connect my Facebook account in this trigger, and as you can see, now it's showing me what exactly you want to create a new event. So I will create a new instant lead event, and it will also ask me to select account. So what I'll do is I will create a new account, and yes, continue with the Facebook leads. It will take some time, and yes, after that, as this is my ID, my Facebook ID is already logged in. So make sure your Facebook ID login on the same tab in which you are logging the Zapier account. Only then you can get this option. Now I have already my account is open on the same Gmail tab, Google tab, where I have opened the Facebook account. So I got that option. I just need to click on the continue button, and now it will connect our Facebook account to that Zapier leads, and it will take some time. And as you can see, now our account is connected here. Now we can go click on the continue button, and once you click on the continue, it will ask for the page, which particular page you want to connect. As let's suppose we'll choose any of the page right now. 1 second, it will take some time. So now as you can see, I have the options of all the pages which is present here. As I will find this is my page which I want to connect, Blinds Today. So I will click on that, and once I click on the page, it will showcase all the form which is created with the help of that particular page. So as you can see, there are 2 forms which has created with the help of this page, so that will be showcased here. So I just will click on that particular form which I want to connect, that is this one, new updated one. And now the form is connected, the page is connected, this Facebook account is connected, so everything is done here. Now we just need to test trigger, and once I test it, it will give us a tick option here. As you can see, the test is complete. Now we need to continue with the selected record. Now it will ask for the option to give us the Gmail preference where we want to send that particular lead. So what we can do is here, I will choose Gmail. Once I click on the Gmail, the second trigger will be automatically fetch that Gmail trigger, and then you can see now the app is Gmail. We need to choose the event, and there are multiple events like add label to the email, archive mail, but I want to send the email. Like I want to send the email to use that particular email, like use that particular information that coming from that instant lead form directly to the Gmail. So I will choose send email option here. Now the Gmail option has chosen. I have selected the event like send email, but I have used this event because I want to send the information that in the instant lead form, like the name, number and email that is in the instant lead form directly to the Gmail of the customer, so that they will easily get those leads information. So I will choose the send email option. After that, you need to connect that Gmail ID on which you want to get that lead information. So as you need to click on the sign in button, as I need to get that leads on this particular email which will be showcased on the screen like this one. So I will use this one and click on that, so that I will get all the leads that is coming from that particular instant lead form to this one. So after clicking on the continue button, our like leads will directly come to this particular form, and then we can easily communicate with the visitors. And what will happen to do with this integration is, like if somebody fill up the forms, they will easily the business person who want to communicate with that lead, they will easily get the lead information as soon as possible, and then they will easily contact them and convert them fast. So this is why we are using this integration. So if you have some another email, then you can use this one and put that email ID and password here. After that connection, your flow is complete, as I have connected it, but you will connect that here. And after that, your connection is successful. All the leads that will come here, like if we got 6 leads, so that will automatically go to the Gmail of the client which we have integrated it. So this is how we integrate Zapier with instant lead form, and this is how we will get the leads directly from the instant lead form to the Gmail of the client. So if you have any query and concern regarding that, you can definitely contact me through the number flashing on the screen, and I think now you can easily do it at your end as well. So thank you so much.